Hey Scorpio, welcome to my channel Lamborghini Celtic Tarot. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm doing to be a tarot card reading for the upcoming month. This is a timeless reading, so from whenever you are watching this till the next 30 days, it will work for you. And keep in mind that this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest. It's going to be focused on your overall life. Let's see which area of life requires more attention of yours. So let's begin the reading now. For your cards, here are in the bottom of the deck is Two of Wands, and then Seven of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Temperance, Nine of Swords, Eight of Wands, Two of Cups, Three of Wands, King of Wands, and the Judgment. In the past, you had some kind of fight or some kind of argument with someone which became cause for you for your impatience in life, but that had made your mind more confused about something. You took some time to think about things. Many people out there in your life who are envious of your determination about your work and about your life in general. They were the people in your friend circle whom you have trusted blindly. They became the reason for loss in your professional and in personal life too. That loss made your mind clouded and you had started to overthink the things that had happened to you and all the efforts and hard work that you had done. You wanted a content life where your all needs and wishes could be fulfilled. You wanted peace and harmony in your life, but your life wasn't at peace. You were suffering a lot in your personal and in professional life both. You wanted from God to give your justice so that you could move on from past setbacks and failures. But right now, still you are waiting for things to get better, but you are not taking any actions right now. And somehow your heart wants to just win in your life at any cost. Unfair and bad behaviors of people really drained you emotionally, that you just want to things happen no matter what, and no matter it does happen by good means or bad, you just want to win all over. You were stable in your life before all that dramatic and hypocrisy happened to you by your own friends and the people that were really close to you. And one thing that I have seen in your cast, that they were envious of your dedication and courage in regards of your life and work. That's why they had done this to you. In the upcoming month, your focus will be on just earning money and consuming all the material happiness which your heart is longing for right now. And you will want to do any kind of investment to stable your career, but this time you will be quite sure that nobody will be able to get advantage of you regarding your finances. A good news for all the Scorpio Sun Moon rising out there is that you will finally be able to create that balance in your life, and you will be really successful to manage all the responsibilities regarding your personal and professional life both. But that universe is saying to you that you should avoid overthinking the things that make you sad and frustrated, in needing positivity and creative approach toward your goals in life in the upcoming month. Okay, everything will quickly take place in your life and you'll need to take action for this, but it is possibility that you might face some problems regarding finalizing your commitments relating to your work or in your love life, but you will be needing to take step forward in your life. And one thing you should be careful before signing any kind of contract or official documents. Okay, make sure that you are aware of everything that is written on that document. At the same time, universe is saying you to not to sit behind but to act confidently in your life and stay excited regarding your work and your life in general. Your positive and compassionate attitude and your creativity will bring you success in the upcoming month. And but choose wisely between two work opportunities or two persons in your life. Like you have to choose any one opportunity regarding your work, or any one person if you have options between two persons. Okay, and in the upcoming month your you will be able to balance your emotions also, and you need to not to overreact over anything, rather solve all the matter by being responsible and confident, and trust God for all your ambitions and desires in life, as he's the one who will definitely bring those desires and wishes and goals into reality, and you will see that very soon. And for Scorpios, all the sun moon rising there, 21 next 21 or 20 days will be important for you to fully engage yourself in working on your tasks, and it might possible that you will have to travel somewhere in those days, especially on Wednesday and Saturday. Okay, signs that are prominent for Scorpio, one is Sagittarius and the second one is Pisces. And the months that might be important for you are November, December, August, September, January, February, and April. And numbers might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 20, and 21. And colors for you are pink, sky blue, turquoise, black, rust, terracotta, fern green, and sage green. And in the upcoming month, for all the Scorpio sun moon rising, you will be needing to feed street animals. And the second thing is you should wear necklace or bracelet which reflects light, will be lucky for you in the upcoming month to fulfill all your tasks that you are planning now. Okay, so this was your reading, Scorpio sun moon rising. This was helpful for you. If it does, then like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel so that you will get new upcoming videos on time. Okay, and with all the positivity and light, have a good day ahead.